Hello and welcome to the Biology Department at Godalming College. Firstly, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We're going to start with a quick overview of what it's actually like to study Biology A-Level, Godalming College, and then at the end of the video you can meet some of the rest of the team. So my name is Debbie. I've been teaching here for the last 9 years, so I obviously enjoy it. I've actually only been a teacher for 9 years. I did a degree in microbiology and virology, then a PhD in immunology, looking at a specific response to a disease, a virus that affects horses. I then went on to work in Cambridge on postdoctoral work, and then actually I had a career change, and then eventually I've ended up being a teacher. Obviously, biology is a real passion of mine. I really enjoy teaching it, and I hope that you come and join us and you'll enjoy it as much as me. My favourite parts probably are the immunology. It's not really a surprise. But also, yeah, I also enjoy looking at all the new techniques, certainly in genetic engineering and how we can use CRISPR technology. I'm going to put on a PowerPoint after this brief introduction for you to just have a look at the overview of a course. But what I would say, the main thing with Biology A-Level, it builds on your GCSE knowledge. We have a look at lots of topics that you'll recognise. So when you have a look at the PowerPoint in a moment, you'll see the titles of topics that you will recognise from covering at GCSE. And we just go a little bit deeper. We'll start to make bigger links between different areas of the course, and we'll kind of bring it a little bit more topical and up to date perhaps than you were able to study at GCSE. Give you an overview of how we actually teach here at college. There are 5 biology teachers in the department, so you will have 2 teachers. One teacher you'll see for an hour-and-a-half lesson and a 45-minute lesson, and then a similar pattern with the second teacher, and they'll teach you 2 different topics. So in the first term, one teacher will be teaching you biological molecules and the other teacher will be going through cells with you. We will go through the theory, we'll do activities, we'll give you some pre-learning to do. We also do a number of practicals, and actually as part of your course you have 12 required practicals that you can be examined on, that we sort of assess you, how good your practical skills throughout the 2 years. We also run a number of workshops at lunchtimes that enables anybody that's maybe finding things a bit tricky, or they don't understand first time in lessons, or they need some help with homework, you can come along and get some extra support from either your teacher or other biology teachers within the department. So here we are in one of the biology classrooms. You can see the way the desks are laid out. So we put in small groups of 4. So the way we tend to teach in lessons is that we set you some pre-learning, you come into the lesson, and then we'll carry out some group activities to check your understanding, and this also gives the teacher a chance to circulate. We find this works really well. It means that we all get to know each other nice and quickly, and we can get a good assessment of your understanding.
Hello folks, my name's Alex. I have a degree in natural sciences but actually specialised in zoology, but my favourite area of the biology A-level course I think is a bit of human biology. It's the section on nerves and nerve transmission, all to do with how your nervous system works. It's really interesting.
Hi, I'm Jess. I'm just here to give you a little introduction to myself. My degree is in marine biology, and I had such an enjoyable time doing it. It was brilliant. I then did postgrad in education so that I could become a teacher. I really enjoy the course that we do. It's really interesting and I love most of it. But I think that the genetics is the bit that interests me the most, just simply because there's still so much we don't know about it. So finding out about the research really fascinates me. I'm looking forward to meeting everyone and getting to know you all and to help you develop your understanding about biology and move forward.
Hi, I'm Justine, one of the biology teachers at Godalming. My background is in a degree in environmental biology and I've been at Godalming for nearly 5 years now. I'm really happy there. It's a great department, they're a great team, great teachers, and you'll be choosing a fantastic subject. So this is my morning walk, and this reminds me on a daily basis why biology is so brilliant, because it is all around us. And I love teaching about how living things interact with each other and the processes that go on inside them. But it's changing and we're learning new stuff, and that's great. So as you're learning, I'm learning, and hopefully you'll develop love for biology like I have. So I really look forward to teaching you and meeting you.
Hi, I'm Jackie. Just going to give you a little brief introduction to myself. So I'm one of the biology teachers at the department. And just to give you a little bit of my history, I studied a degree in microbiology at Birmingham University, had a lovely time there, and then went on to do a master's in forensic science. I then worked for about 20 years in research, mainly in tuberculosis, and then I moved into teaching about 10 years ago. I enjoyed all of it. I enjoyed the research, and I also love teaching. And I look forward to meeting you all next year. My favourite topic probably in biology is going to be the immunology, I think, because I mainly specialised in microbiology and I really like diseases and the interactions with man. And I look forward to seeing you next year.